Hello, Arcadio. This will be some video feedback for you on Milestone 1, which is the print ad. And we've got 4 weeks to go. If I can assist you with anything, don't hesitate to reach out at the number that I publish in my announcements. So for the next 4 weeks, I bid you strength. Arcadio, I think this does have a clear vision. It, to me, suggests comfort, obviously massage, sun, perhaps indoor. It's ambiguous, but I think it's mysterious in that sense too. What is not so mysterious, perhaps, is your typography, and it's okay to list things like that, but it's the logo is not centerable, I guess, because it's not really symmetrical. So, a better arrangement might be flush left, ragged right. And think of ways to make Arial, which you have used, which is the corporate typeface, elegant. Sometimes if there's a light version of it, you could use that, all caps, widely letter spaced, small. Take a look at the Stephanie Moyers that I posted I think earlier today or yesterday in the announcements. She's used Arial in a very elegant way. But I like your silhouette. Maybe just some hint of context, the general environment, maybe from the outside, and maybe don't center everything. I'm going to open this up in Illustrator next, just to see if you have embedded or linked. Arcadio, when I open up your Illustrator file, I'm getting these prompts that I'm missing images. And so all I'm left with is this. Be aware that there's a difference between linking and embedding your images. I do see, however, that you've got everything on its own layer, including this gradation. And I'm presuming that this was the image. Let's see if I unlock it. You've linked to something if the image box has an X through it, okay? It's easy to embed, except for one thing about the Illustrator interface. So I'm going to go up here, File, Place. That should be familiar to you. Select something arbitrary here. Make sure that this is not selected, okay? That this cannot be clicked if you want to embed an image. If this is selected, then it's going to link it. And then you go ahead and hit place. And so here's the difference. A placed image, you'll see it. This is quite large. A linked image, you may or may not. Okay. And if you don't, it's linked because it has an X through it. All right. Other than that, we're good going. I think you have the proper ingredients. Consider using a silhouette. That would be something that you masked in week 2.